Okay, hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and welcome to this series or 2 episode series of how to create a table of contents in your Android app programmatically. And this is the second and final episode. Okay, this time, or let's say the first time, we talked about how to use a button. Okay, now the second time here we're going to talk about how to use the list, okay, and a list view. Okay, and this is my method of doing it. Okay, now of course you create an activity that extends the list activity. Cool. And in the onCreate, use the set adapter, create from resource. Okay, and of course you have to attach this content of the list that you've just defined in a its layout here in this list view. Okay, this one. I also have to remind that this does not teach you Android. You should know Android already. Okay, Android programming, so you should know it already. So what I'm saying is that this is the list view. I have this list. Okay, and also here, because this is a list activity, so it will scroll automatically from itself. To have a scroll view from itself, and this set list adapter will populate the list view. Let me first show you what's this app all about. This is an app called Astrophysics. It's already free online on the Play Store, and let's see, this is its icon. So yeah, so we start with this. If you want to populate it, it will grow as you grow the app and put so many things in it. So it will go from this till this. Cool. So this is what we should be having in the end. Okay, now the list already has nothing. Yeah, those are already saved in the XML file. Okay, and what you see here, that the wording here, like solid angle measurement and angular and convert and things like that, okay, those are in a string array. Now, similar to what we did with the buttons method, okay, but in this time we made another string array which contains the names of the classes, okay, which are the activity names, okay, that will be jumping to, okay, from this activity, from the table of contents here. So we go here, and of course we are attaching this to the current context, which is the table of contents, which is this one. Okay, let me close this, and this is the array that holds all the data, okay, or the list contents. So if we see here, see, this is the string array, table of contents adapter view array. So this is it, and I'm populating it, and I made just a list items just to make it customized, which is this one. It's not something from the Android. So if it were from Android, it will be android.r.layout dot something, a simple list item or something like that. Okay, this is from the defaults. But if I want to make my own way of showing the contents of every item in this list, I will have to use my own layout, XML layout. So I made my own, and this is my text view. I see somewhere that it has to be bold, so this is why it's bold here. It's not normal. Okay, so this is your text view. It will be applied to each item here. Okay, now we go to the table of contents code back again. Just forget about this. This is not important. This is just for me. Okay, I'm just showing you just to concentrate on line 34 here. Okay, also, what will happen when I click on an item here? So if I click, it's supposed to take me to another activity. Okay, let's say it takes me somewhere like here. Okay, so this is the function called on list item click. So if you click on any of those, okay, it will take you to the corresponding one. Okay, so based on the position, which is the position of clicking in the list, so it's the item position here. So if I click on the first one, it will be number 0. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so based on the position, it will create, like load the list of resources. Okay, just to find the table of contents class files array. So I have in the strings another array that corresponds to each one. Like, so for example, if we see the code here in my app, let's say I want to see, this is the solid angle. Okay, this is solid angle. Okay, so and also I want to say that this is solid angle. So this is here, here, and here. Please map them together in your head. Okay, and also because this is a string array that I will get, okay, based on the position. So if I want to say number 0, okay, it means that I should take this one number 0, this one number 0 too. Okay, so they have to be on the same level, same position in the array. Okay, so I will go here, back in the code. I hope I'm not confusing you. Please just review the file, the video again, so to know what I'm doing. So the intent will do the following. It will take the current context, which is the table of contents here, okay, and class for name. The function for name, it's a static function as it looks like, that will take the class name as a string, like any file, for example here the table of contents, the solid, okay, any of those will take its name without the .java file, okay, just a string of the file name, which is something like this one, okay, and you will have to use the package name just to get the package name and attach it, okay, to the class name based on the position, okay. And like in the code, okay, it will be very simple to use. So this is a single time code. You don't have to code so much, okay, unless you have some exceptions here. I don't mean Java exceptions, I mean like logical exceptions. For example, you want to send an intent, something like that, okay, you can just manage that from here, okay. And because they won't, I expect they won't be many. If you find them many, just see what you're gonna do here, okay. And that's it. So start the intent, it will move to the activity, the target activity that you want. So again, just to see how I'm going to use this method, all the time you will have to add a class name here in this string array, okay, and also its corresponding. Please don't forget that it has to be on the same level, okay. So as you see, as I said, this is solid angle on number 0 on index 0, and this is solid angle measurement on index 0. Cool, that's all you're gonna do. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, please click the ads and click the likes. Send me any comments that you want. Thanks for watching.